नमस्कार. आयच्या ह्या खाशेल्या कार्यावळीक तुमकां सगळ्यांक येवकार. आज आमचे बरोबर सामके खास गेस्ट आसात. ते म्हळ्यार गोंयांतले नामनेचे उद्देजक, फिलांथ्रोपिस्ट आनी फोमेंतो ग्रुपाचे चेअरमॅन अवधूत तिंबलो. सर, वेलकम टू द शो. हांव सगळ्यांत पयली गजाल जी विचारता ती म्हळ्यार तुमचो लॉकडावन कसो चल्ला, थंयच्यान सुरवात करया.
आज 35वा दीस. आज 5 आठवडे काबार जाले. बिरेस्ताराक 5 आठवडे पयलीं हांव ऑफिसांतल्यान आयलो आनीक बायले सांगलें आतां मातशें आमी भायर सर न्हय. That is a few days before it was coming into vogue or compulsion or directives from higher ups, from advisors and finally from the Prime Minister. So I'm 5 weeks old.
तुमचे सर इतल्या सारके प्रदीर्घ कारकिर्दी भितर केन्नाय असो प्रसंग आयिल्लो की इतले दीस घरा रावचें पडलें तेंय बी अशें काय दिस इज ऑल्सो म्हजी जनरेशना खातीर जशी नवीन गजाल तशीच तुमच्याय जनरेशना खातीर नवीन गजाल?
हय, कोणे म्हाका बरें एक टॅक्स्ट धाडलें. अरे नाव आय होप यू आर नॉट ट्रॅव्हलिंग. सो I said, I'm traveling from my bedroom to my bathroom, from bathroom to living room to kitchen, back to bedroom. So I said, I've not stopped my traveling. So really speaking, in a way, it's advantageous that our house is like an empty nest, you know, the children are not staying with us and just the two of us for a 3-bedroom, sufficiently spacious place. And a good view which we have enjoyed for last 45 years staying in this area. And I think it has given a good amount of opportunity, chance to introspect. Certain laziness has come as a result of just not having an agenda on a minute-to-minute, hour-to-hour basis. But I won't say it's laziness. I'm doing a lot of reading. I'm doing a lot of news watching. I'm doing some writing. I'll call it lethargy because I'm doing it with a gun to my head.
तर पण एक तुमच्याच मुद्द्यावेल्यान सुरवात करूया, तो म्हळ्यार इंट्रोस्पेक्शन. इतली तुम्ही सगळे जग पळयलां, जग भोंवल्यात आनी इतली सगळे जग भोंवतकीर जेन्ना ह्यो 35 दिसांचो घरा कडेन रावपाची जी एक एक्सरसायज जाता आनी ती बी स्टे होम स्टे सेफ टायप, तुमचे इंट्रोस्पेक्शनाचे सेलियंट फीचर्स हायलाइट्स कितें?
जग भोंवला सुरवाते पासून म्हणजे 50 वर्सां पयलीं भोंवपाक सुरू केल्लें इंटरनॅशनली. पूण 52 वर्सां जालीं आतां. हांव अमेरिकेक गेल्लो शिकपाक. अशें शिक्षण म्हणलें कंटिन्युअस अफेर रे, सो इट इज नॉट एज इफ आय स्टार्टेड माय एज्युकेशन एंड एंडेड इट, स्टील गोइंग ऑन. पूण म्हाका केन्नाय तेन्ना हांव गांधीची पुस्तकां भरपूर वाचतालो आनी म्हाका एक हेंशें आयलें, कितें गायडन्स आयलें तें वाचून. ताणें एक बरें एक म्हणिल्लें, ताका विचारिल्लें वॉट इज ग्लोबलायझेशन. सो ही सेज इट इज हाव वी डील विथ द वर्ल्ड. एंड सो आय सेड वी शुड एक्सेप्ट द चेंजेस ऑफ द वर्ल्ड. ही सेज then this is a famous saying. He says, let the winds from all over the world blow in my face, but let me not be swept from my feet. So now I can tell you in another lighter vein, my feet are in my house, my head is all over the world. Introspection is going on in that form, that I'm looking at Bill Gates talking, I'm looking at Trump talking, I'm looking at Boris Johnson going in and out of ICU. I'm looking at the whole world sitting right here in my house. Not even let's say on the soil of Goa, but of course what I mean to say is this is the wonder that I find, that not a minute is spent in boredom. This is not a boring isolation.
This is not a boring isolation because world has opened up and technology has made it possible.
After Corona, you will have a different lifestyle than what we have had so far.
So let us go into that aspect. कारण तुम्हीच त्या विशयाचेर आयले की पोस्ट आमी विशयच दवरला पोस्ट पॅन्डेमीक वर्ल्ड म्हणून, आनी तुमचे सारक्या अनुभवी मनशा कडच्यान तुमचे विचार जाणून घेवपाची इच्छा आसा. सुरवात करूया. तुम्ही सांगले की बिल गेट्सा आयकता, डोनाल्ड ट्रम्पाक आयकता आणि राईट नाव वर्ल्ड इज डिबेटिंग 2 डिफरंट मॉडल्स ऑफ टॅकलिंग दीस पेंडेमीक. तो एक म्हळ्यार अमेरिकेचो की लेट्स ओपन अप एवरीथिंग एज फास्ट एज पॉसिबल, आणि एक दुसरी म्हळ्यार इंडिये सारको मॉडल वेर वी डिसायडेड टू गो इन टू अ कंप्लीट लॉकडावन ऑफ एंटायर नेशन. तुमकां तुमच्या अनुभवांतल्यान हातूंतलो खंयचो मॉडल चड प्रॅग्मॅटीक प्रॅक्टिकल दिसता?
Why we should look at America? Why we should look at India? Why don't you look at Sweden? They have adopted a very flexible model, so we don't have to invent a model. They've told their people, please behave in a manner that it is good for you and certainly good for your neighbors and others. So in Sweden, shops are open, malls may be closed, but gardens are available to walk on. But they don't invade on each other. So within Sweden, maybe Stockholm is a dense and a crowded place, so they take their precautions, you know. So I don't think you should legislate, because this kind of conduct is beyond to be enforced, is beyond legislation. See, even if you look at other forms of legislation, no drinking. Even Gandhiji didn't say, I will pass a law to stop drinking. Whereas all his followers started, we will bring prohibition, we will do this, and so on. But all these are private matters. So you should bring, you have to contain it in a manner of a society which wants to coexist harmoniously.
तुम्ही म्हणटा आदार हो मनीसपणाचो आसपा जाय.
I'll go back to the age-old system of India in Panchayati Raj, or we go to the West, what they call town hall. Now they stopped town hall meetings. Town hall is the genesis of democracy. And here you have the old style consensus building Panchayati. So I think we have to retrieve back to that community living. And this should not be centralized from a pedestal in New Delhi or something in Washington, D.C., that you shall do this and we shall do this. I think we have to decentralize India first. And one of the post-corona, post-pandemic, that new era or a new syllabus that's going to be born is decentralization of India. So we can continue to fight such disruptions in life, because I think the old wars are over. At least they are very, very few and almost non-existent. And we have to fight. Or now I'm coming to Bill Gates, what I heard he said, the missiles are gone, it's microbes we have to fight.
Microbes we have to. एक सर तुम्ही म्हळ्यार की लायफस्टायली भितर खूब बरो बदल जातलो म्हणून म्हळ्यार ते प्री पेंडेमीक आणि पोस्ट पेंडेमीक. इफ आय हॅव टू सबमिट, आय से इट BC and AC, before corona and after corona. So when you look at it, BC and AC, what is the difference in lifestyle? तुम्ही जो म्हणलो की लायफस्टायली भितर बदल जातलो. How you, what is this shift from BC to AC?
BC म्हणलं ते comes before Christ. AC is after Christ. So why don't you change it BC and AC? BC is pre-corona, AC is after corona or post-corona.
So you're saying best is PC and AC.
So you are saying PC and pre-corona and after corona.
After corona. So किती sir, what is the shift? तुमका lifestyle भितर किती बदल दिसतात?
Right now you are interviewing me. I'm comfortable in my home. You are comfortable in your studio or your home sometimes. Most of the great anchors of the world I get knowledge from. They are doing it from the house. So this momentum will go on. Of course, it is very important to once in a while get together and see, touch each other. But that will happen not as often as before. खूप वेळा म्हाका लोक म्हणटा येता तुका मेळपा येता. अरे टॅलिफोनाचेर उलय कितें तुगेलें ना मेळपा येना खंय तुका मागीर च्या दिवची पडटली ना च्या पिनाका. अरे तशी न्ही रे, म्हगेलो टायम वतलो तुगेलो टायम वतलो, प्रवासा भितर आमी पडटले. नाही सर अशें 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 तूं तशें कर पळोवया करूं जालें काम 5 मिनटांचें काम 3 वरां घेनाका सो दीस इज पोस्ट कोरोना एफिशियन्सी आतां तुगेलो इंटरव्यू जालो तुका हांव च्या बसून दिवपाक शकना तुय म्हाका च्या दिवपाक शकना
हय
15 अर्द वर भितर जातलें आमचें काम
हय बट सर एक
दिसाक
एक
25
एक गजाल जी असता की आमी सदांच म्हणटात की वेलोसिटी ऑफ मनी ऑर वेलोसिटी ऑफ इकॉनॉमी ह्या व्हर्च्युअल गजालींतल्यान तुमकां दिसता की दॅट वेलोसिटी इज गोईंग टू रिमेन एज इट इज ऑर दॅट वेलोसिटी इज गोईंग टू कम डावन ऑर इट इज गोईंग टू इन्क्रीज इफ द चेंजीस तुम्ही जशी सांगतात तशी जर चेंजीस जाले जाल्यार
See, if the efficiency of the economy has to go up, velocity has to increase. But right now, the velocity is in a dangerous zone where transactions are not taking place. People are not getting paid. People very soon will not have money to live for their daily needs. So I am really concerned for a drastic economic slowdown. And that slowdown to repair and to come back to a certain pace, it will take some time. But there is one or two good signals I saw when I observed some of the international channels and commentaries. Cruise liners were the first to hit. Airlines were the first to hit. And hotels were immediately hit.
Yeah.
So today, if you see, the hotel revenue in Goa is nearly nil. A restaurant have innovated to supply you food at home, and they are keeping their salary bill or some basic cost in motion. What I heard recently was that 2021, the cruise liner bookings are up in revenue by 30%. So 100 rupees what they got in 2019 will become 130 rupees in 2021. So that means 2022 will be considered as a right of year.
बट why is the shift? So what is going to change? एक वर्सा भितर किती बदलतले कशी सेफ्टी मेजर्स किती जातले जाका लागून ही जंप जावपाक शकता
Take the case of the airline industry, which is really grounded. Now you know that Goa has no flights. 100 flights, almost 80, 90, 100 flights a day used to come to Goa. Wow. And that is brought to zero. So 20,000 people would fly into Goa. That is also brought to zero. Plus rail traffic, road traffic is nearly zero. So your velocity is completely down to as rock bottom as possible. With this hit on the airlines, they will have to reinvent. The hotel industry will have to reinvent. So all these industries which are vulnerable to corona will have to innovate and come out. Whosoever does better innovation, rises up in a better way, he will be a winner. So this is like adversity from where opportunities are available. But it's not going to be easy. Some people will never see the light of the day. So it is going to be unfortunate for some, and for the brave, it will show another world altogether. Now the cruise liners, as I said, the pent-up demand of 2020 will be visible in 2021, but not all cruise liners will operate in the sea. Some will be scrapped. Same thing with the aircraft. The airline industry of the world has achieved one of the highest levels of safety. It is safer to fly than to walk on a footpath in Panjim or drive on a road in Goa. It is safer to fly than bicycle around in some parts of America also. So safety of an airline was not achieved in one day. There were air crashes, there were inquiries. They said, no, we will do this, we will do this, we will do this. And constantly over the years, they became a very, very safe mode of transport at a very, very low cost. Now that is a tremendous effort from the airline industry of the world, including the aircraft makers, including the pilots, including the airlines, including the safety, airport instrumentation landings, whole host of things have made airlines safe. Let me ask you also a question, as a journalist, whether you know it. Which is the safest mode of transport?
The safest mode of
Airline is
transport.
the second safest.
Okay. Which is the first safest? Which
Going
is
on a
what is
motorcycle,
what?
going on a motorcycle in
What?
Goa must be the 15th, number 15.
Yes, yes, yes.
Walking,
What is
crossing the road.
what is safe? What is safer than an airline?
That is my question to you.
Mm.
And that mode of transport is about 150 years old.
Mm.
Before the car started, that was the transport.
Mm. And that
Elevator.
that was elevator. But you
Elevator.
consider elevator as a mode of mass
Yeah, it
transport?
goes sometimes it can go 100 floors up, 100, sometimes it goes 5 floors up. You are traveling.
Yeah.
You're traveling at good speed and you're climbing like at a super speed.
Mm.
And yet, tell me, how many deaths have you heard in an elevator? At least in the last 50 years.
Yeah.
Nil.
Yeah.
It's got built-in safety after safety after safety.
Mm.
So likewise, aircraft also has. But now I'm coming to the main point. The main point is they must innovate, not to be safe from physical injury,
Yeah.
not to be safe from a crash, but to be safe from the hygienic point of view.
Mm.
They may change the configuration of the inner sitting. They may create small chambers so you are 100% safe when you are inside that little box. Maybe sitting will be uncomfortable, but they'll come up with it. Give them time. Give us all time. That is your post-pandemic world.
So तुम्ही म्हणतात की
Then,
this is
then
a
on the
time.
medical
तुम्ही म्हणता की this is a time for humanity to practically reinvent itself, reinvent our outlook towards life, reinvent our outlook towards economy, reinvent our outlook towards our past innovations. That is what you are saying.
it's not a humanity doing it, it's a market forces will operate of what you call mechanism of survival, mechanism of profit and loss, mechanism of capital. All these inputs, outputs will have a role to play to, as long as there is demand, to generate a safe, hygienic world. But if some medical breakthroughs are available, then we may say, I'm safe. I don't need to be hygienic enough. After the age of antibiotics, people became lax. Antibiotics, so in a way, easy solution makes us either lazy or careless. So we don't know which side this will go, whether the airlines will have to reinvent themselves or the pharma people will come up with a magic bullet, magic pill. So we wait about few weeks, 5 weeks, 10 weeks,
एक सर जो प्रश्न सगळ्यांच्या तकल्या भितर येता तो म्हळ्यार जेन्ना लॉकडावन म्हणटात आनी प्रत्येकाक लॉकडावन म्हळें आनी कंप्लीट लॉकडावन म्हळो की लॉकडावनांतल्यान भायर कशें सरप हो एक सगळ्यांत व्हडलो प्रश्न उरता आनी सगळ्यांक सारकी चिड्डून सारके घरा भितर भरून दवरल्यात आनी एक दीस जर सारकी तारीख ठरयली आनी जर दारां उगडी केली सगळे भर्र करून सगळे रस्त्यार येतले म्हूण सगळ्यांच्या मनां एक भंय आसता. तुम्ही जेन्ना द नेचर ऑफ दीस व्हायरस, द नेचर ऑफ दीस इलनेस आनी लॉकडावनांतल्यान भायर आतां कशें सरप हाजे कडेन जेन्ना पळयतात तेन्ना वॉट डू यू रेकमेंड टू दी गव्हर्मेंट?
Okay, let me go back to my childhood, ल्हानपणा याद आशिल्ली म्हाका कोणाकय जर हे फुगांव आयले, फुगांव म्हणल्यार चिकन पॉक्स. चिकन पॉक्स फॉर चिल्ड्रन is 99.999% safe. But if you are 65 or 70, if you get chicken pox, there is a 30% chance you may not live. So these are also viruses, far more deadly than coronavirus. But each one of us, I don't know about you, I was vaccinated at the age of 7 or 8. When I was small, I got chicken pox. And we were just doing this शाळे वचपाची गरज ना 3 दीस. 4 दिसांनी मागीर शाळे वचपाक सुरू जालें. But life आतां चिकन पॉक्स येवपाना. So vaccination can take place by herd immunity. So lots of people have it. Then you get it at a younger age when you are safe to get it. Now corona has not been with us for times immemorial.
Yeah.
So we have to get used to it. I don't think it'll ever go away.
Okay.
But there are medical breakthroughs are something that you cannot.
तुम्ही म्हणटात इवन इफ द व्हायरस स्टेस अराउंड आमचे कडेन अशी कांय गजाली आसतल्यो जंय फॅटेलिटी रेट कमी जातलो इट विल बी सेफर टू को एक्झिस्ट विथ द व्हायरस द वे वी हॅव को एक्झिस्टेड विथ अनदर व्हायरस एंड प्रोबेबली ओवर अ पिरियड ऑफ टायम आमकां हर्ड इम्युनिटी डेव्हलप जातली.
There are 7 billion people on Earth.
Right.
4 billion or 3.5 plus billion have a virus in them called herpes. So काय असतली 50% chance you will have it. Only 1 in 5,000 or so it springs up and you get into severe pain. My God, 1 month of unbearable torture. 1 out of 10,000, 1 out of 5,000. Now that if you get it at an older age, you may not be able to survive. In child it comes and then you are vaccinated forever. So these are things which really speaking I'm not competent to answer this question, but I'm still learning. I think taking the example of chicken pox and even smallpox आमगेले सणीची गांवां बी एक वेळ म्हणटाले 1954 यादत म्हाका अरे थंय वचनाका ती कोणा देवी आयल्या Devi smallpox.
Right.
But by that time, the vaccination program of the government had started.
Right.
And smallpox across Goa, across India, by 1960 was almost gone. By 1965, it was totally gone. Today, you don't hear the word smallpox. In fact, if you ask young student of today, he may not even know what is smallpox. Similarly, all these things go into non-existence.
एक सर जो सामको महत्वाचो प्रश्न उरता की तुम्ही म्हळें की सम मे सी द लायट ऑफ डे सम मे नॉट. तुमकां ही पर्सेंटेज कितली दिसता तुमी जेन्ना इकॉनॉमी कडेन पळयतात तेन्ना वॉट इज अ पर्सेंटेज ऑफ एन एवरेज पर्सेंटेज ऑफ द एक्झिस्टींग इकॉनॉमीक सिस्टम बिकमिंग रिडंडंट कितली दिसता तुमकां?
पळय डिपेंड्स ऑन which sector you belong. For instance, airlines are really bleeding. Hotels also will have a tough time rising up again. And some who are indebted in a heavy manner will have a problem of existence in that form. So they'll have to change their ways of, the owner will have to be replaced by another owner who comes in with money. And so this is not going to be one wave for everybody. For instance, the pharma industries, there are opportunities galore and some of the stocks are moving up above the pre-corona days. And for instance, Johnson & Johnson stock moved up. Then there is another stock called Abbott, which is very high now because they are very close to getting a medicine, which will buy you time until the vaccine comes. So vaccine is one of the ways of tackling this virus, but there could be other ways, such as maybe a medicine to say you don't get into the deep acute way of breathlessness. I know ventilator is one answer, but there may be a better answer than that. If a pharma company comes up with that kind of a tablet or an injection or something like that, then you don't have to fear corona. I say I'll take the vaccine wherever I have to take it. So all this is, we have seen it in our life from variety of viruses that mankind has seen right from centuries ago. The greatest virus.
Yeah. So sir, तुमको कित दिसता की impact जो आसतलो तो sector wise आसतलो. Some sectors will come out brighter, some will go into sunset.
This is an opportunity for the digital sector. Take the case how we are talking today. I'm told this app is called Zoom.
Yeah.
Almost 5 or 6 times I've used it already.
Yeah.
And I'm getting tuned to it, and possibly I will use it more often during the corona regime, and also much more possibly in the post-corona regime, because it improves our ability to dialogue.
Correct. So last 2 प्रश्न म्हणजे की when the crude oil prices went into negative, म्हाका दिसता तुमच्या आयुश्यांत तुमी केन्नाय पळयलें नासतलें, बट वेन यू सॉ दॅट ब्रेकिंग न्यूज दॅट दे हॅव गॉन एज डावन एज -$37, वॉट वेर युअर इनिशियल इमिजिएट थॉट्स?
रत्नागिरी आपूस आंबो,
हय
सुकी सुंगटां चड भायर कितें वता हांगाच पळय.
हय
पयलीं गोंयांत सुंगटां येतालीं आनी खावपी नासताले. हांव म्हणटा एक 60-70 वर्सां पयलीं, 80-100 वर्सां पयलीं सुंगटीं झुम्म करून आयलीं. इतलो सप्लाय आयलो, पूण कन्जम्पशन ऑर डिमांड ना. कितें जातलें? सुंगटां प्रायस झिरो जातलो. पूण कोणी एक आयडी काडली की सुकोवया म्हणून तें सुंगटां.
हय
मागीर सुकी सुंगटां जालीं, थंयच्यान किस्मूर आयली.
हय
पूण थोड्यांक त्रास जाले, थोड्यांक बरें जालें. होच परिणाम आतां आंब्याचेर पडला. इतलो क्रॉप आयले थंय रत्नागिरी देवगडाक. मुंबय आंबे धाडपाक शकना, गोंया आंबे हाडपाक शकनात, दुबाय आंबे वचनात. तर तांगेलें रेव्हेन्यू जवळ जवळ मोर दॅन 50% ड्रॉप जाला. तांकां म्हणजे जवळ जवळ दुश्काळ जाल्ल्या भशेन जाला. आतां ते आमी कितें करतले? गर्वां दितले. दॅट इज कॉल्ड नेगेटीव्ह प्रायस. सो ऑयलीचो तसो जाला. आंबे तुजी जर झाडाक कमांड दिलो, अरे आंबे मातशे पिकोवपाचे स्लो डावन करा, आंबे ह्या वर्सा नाका म्हाका फुडल्या वर्सा करा, ते जाल्यार सुरवात जातले, सॉल्व जातले प्रॉब्लेम. पूण
तशें असल्यार सर आयुश्यांतले सगळे प्रॉब्लेम सॉल्व जातले.
सगळे प्रॉब्लेम सॉल्व जातले. पूण दिस इज कॉल्ड कंटिन्युअस प्रोसेस इंडस्ट्रीज. You can't stop the machine. You know, there is a saying in the shark. He says, if the shark stops swimming, it dies. It cannot remain still. It must continuously move, because if it doesn't move, it doesn't get the water and oxygen, and it dies. So, cycle you can't stand at one place now.
Right.
So you have to ride once you're on a cycle.
Yeah.
Something applies to some of our leaders. They say they are riding the tiger. Indira Gandhi was riding the tiger. She couldn't come down from the tiger. Tiger will eat her. She cannot stop riding, and therefore it is called riding the tiger. Now coming back to your oil, there was no way they could stop the production. The well collapses, oil well, and the loss is much more. So it is better to sell and give somebody money to take it. But I think things have recovered. And mind you, it is only in Texas. This is mostly WTI. It has not happened to Brent, and it has not happened to other oils.
Correct. Yes.
So that is only in the what we call West Texas intermediaries.
Yeah.
That index has gone down.
That index,
so they will find they'll find a way out for themselves.
So
and
last,
it has recovered.
Last
By June it is all on track.
All on track. म्हाका लास्ट प्रश्न पळय, तुमकां कितली दिसता की whether things will go back to normal or this is the new normal, आणि त्या न्यू नॉर्मला खातीर आमी मानसीक शारिरीक तयारी करपाक जाय?
I tend to use the word new normal, because even if you see, when the world entered World War II, was completely different from the world pre-1939.
Yeah, correct.
So you will find a similar, and you said it in the beginning of this talk. PC, pre-corona, and AC after corona.
Right.
So you will have a new.
You will have a PC and AC, new world order. So thanks a lot.
You can go back to the greatest event when Jesus Christ brought a new thought, a new era into this world, and Christianity was born. BC and AD came, no?
हय सामकें. सो त्या खातीर सो तुमी म्हणटा आतां हे PC आनी AC, this is the beginning of the new world order. So thanks a lot. म्हाका दिसता ही इंटरेक्शन, हे विचार म्हाका दिसता गोंयकारां म्हऱ्याक आनी जगभर फाफसल्ल्या गोंयकारां म्हऱ्याक आनी सगळ्या म्हऱ्याक पावप गरजेचें. एकूच दिसता की ही विचारांची आदान प्रदान चालू दवरया, कारण जे विचार तुमी मांडले म्हाका दिसता तुमकांय रिस्पॉन्स येतलो हो इंटरव्यू ऑन एअर वतकीर. सो एक कंटिन्युअस प्रोसेस असो जावचो, जातूंतल्यान हे विचार गोंयकारां म्हऱ्याक पावचे, आनी परत ही घडये एक म्हयनेभरा भितर अशीच चर्चा करया, आनी जे सिच्युएशन जशी डेव्हलप जाता त्या प्रमाणे विचारांचे आदान प्रदान जावचे, इतलेंच मागता आनी थांबता. तुमी वेळ दिलो, थँक्स अ लॉट. पळयत रावत प्रुडंट. नमस्कार.